Hey, our team name is Snack Overflow and our problem statement ID is SIH1700 and the project name is LawGPT. Here's a sneak peek at some of the important codes from our codebase, and these basically summarize couple key features. One, dynamic tool integration, where the chatbot employs specialized tools like the function check division for retrieving information about the department's various divisions and the function get case statistics for detailed case metrics. Two, there is real-time data access, where leveraging MongoDB the chatbot provides instant access to critical information including traffic violation procedures and judicial appointments. Finally, we have fluid user experience as third point, where using the print stream method we ensure smooth conversations, allowing the chatbot to handle enquiries efficiently and gracefully manage errors. Also, we have this final JSON includes static data, not the dynamic ones. The dynamic data is actually scraped using Selenium based codes and constantly fed into final JSON so that the user gets the fresh and updated data and won't use the old data. Now let's take a look at the actual model, and as you can see we have a pretty simplistic UI to cater to all the age groups along with a nice dark and light mode feature. And upon clicking on start chat now, and let's say we type something like describe in detail about the divisions of DOJ of India, the bot actually responds with a nice format with nice headings so that it's visually appealing and the user would be able to go through it in an efficient manner. And as you can see we could type another thing like describe in detail the procedures to follow to become a judge, and upon typing this we have another reply which is generated in a similar manner, which has nice formatting, points and everything included. So this could go on and on, like for another thing like list the procedures provided by the eCourts of India and explain its functions. And similarly we have another response which has e-payment, e-filing, eCourts services app, and also as you can see we have links in every one of the reply. So let's try for another one, describe in detail the procedure to pay traffic fine. So we have another response which actually has the procedure to pay the fines. You need to note that, like I mentioned before, there are links which actually take the user to the website, so it's very convenient altogether with the formatting and the links. Now we could go on for dynamic data. For example, case pendency is not a static data like the above examples. It's a dynamic one which changes on a day-to-day basis. And as you can see, it generates the information on that day by using the dynamic web scraping tools from their website, the NJDG website. And as you can see on the side, there's also a generate and download summary option where the summary is actually having the entire conversation in a detailed manner so that the user can later on check it. Let's say in scenarios where there's no Wi-Fi or something, like basically they want to quickly open up the PDF and check a couple points, they can go ahead with this. So we saw that this could be a convenient feature to be added where there's generate and summary option. That is one of the features on the top. We also have this find procedures thing where the commonly used find procedure links and information is put at the corner, so that this would actually save both our resources and the user's time so that they could quickly access these things instead of asking the bot once again. So that is another card which we have. As you can see, all these links take to the original website. And similarly we also have check case status where the user can enter a CNR number and it shows the entire case status in a pretty well detailed manner. They could go through it and then further take decisions. As you can see, all the details have been included in this. The user enters a CNR number and through API calls from the original website we get the case status. Now let's actually go on to our legal resources section by so we have legal resource section where pending civil cases, pending criminal cases and total pending cases all are showcased, and like mentioned before, these are dynamic data which are scraped from the NJDG website. Thank you, and this was our model and the code base.